Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the system section. Then click here to the screen recording, and here you'll see the sound section. Now we have turned off the ST features, so now our screen recording video is muted. We can use the system sounds just by click here on the switcher, so we'll use the ringtones, the system sounds, the ringtones, the medias. We can also use the microphone, so just to do that you should click once on this switcher, tap to OK. Now in our screen recording we'll use the system sounds and microphone, so we can also comment something here, but we can also use those two features separately by this way. And if you wanna just record the mute video, just turn off the switchers again. And that's it. That's all of the sound settings of our just screen recording video. But if you wanna open just another way the screen recording settings, we can do it just by the notification panel here. So find on the top bar the screen recording icon and hold for a while this icon, and you launch the same just screen recording settings by this way, and you can just use the microphone or system sounds or just to turn them off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.